And we're going to start looking at a table of contents, which is a strange thing because some Word users struggle with tables of contents. They begin to hand type them in, which is no use because we need our table of contents to actually link to our chapters and our various other front and end matter pages that we've taken all this time of putting in. But the good news is that the way that we've set this document up so far makes the establishment of our table of contents a piece of cake. So it's going to go into the second page, so the page after the title. So we're going to zoom in, show you what's going on here, get to here. Here's our title page. We're going to go to here. We're going to put a new page break in. So we're going to go to the left-hand side of the current page break, holding the Control key down on our keyboard. We're going to tap the Enter key once. That puts us a new page in. I'm going to put another couple of lines in just to give me a bit of room. And then we're going to go up to References. I'm going to click References. Over on the left-hand side is a group called Table of Contents, which gives us some more options. Because I don't want the automatic tables. What I actually want is a customized table of contents. So we're going to click Custom, and that pops a dialog box up. I don't need page numbers. Obviously, I don't need page numbers. It's an ebook. It doesn't have page numbers, so I can turn those off. By turning those page numbers off, funnily enough, it doesn't allow the page numbers to be right aligned, so that's automatically taken away. It says use hyperlinks instead of page numbers. That's exactly what we want. We want hyperlinks. And then it says general format from template. That's fine. Show levels 3. We actually only want to show levels 2 because we've only been using heading 1 and 2. And you can see in the preview that heading 3 went away. If you turn that back to 3, there's heading 1, 2, and 3. This is going to be just heading 1 and 2. And at that point, you click OK. And you've now got yourself a fully hyperlinked table of contents, which will work perfectly within a Mobi document or an e-publication. And at that point, we're done.